Let's talk about heat transfer and discuss about how energy move, especially heat energy, how it moves from point A to point B at Earth's surface, in atmosphere or in space. Heat transfer in three ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. Starting with conduction. It is heat transfer due to molecular contact. So now we take an example. If we take a rod and bring it near to flame, so rod become hot slowly. Heat is transfer from one molecule to other molecule, and complete rod become hot. Heat is transfer through conduction. So conduction is present most effectively in solids. Now discuss about convection. Heat transfer through convection is due to density differences. In convection, when heat produced due to fire, it rises up, and when it expanded become less dense and move upward. This is called convection. So convection present most effectively in liquid and gases. After conduction and convection here, we discuss about radiation. In radiation, heat transfer through wave motion. Some heat rise up and transfer through convection, but outward heat is transfer through wave, which is called radiation. From sun, heat is also transfer through radiation. Radiation not need any material, so can occur in space. So main point in these three modes are: in radiation it is wave, in conduction it is contact, and in convection it is density.